Broccoli helps reduce inflammation, keeping blood sugar stable, and strengthening the immune system. Consuming broccoli every day can contribute to stronger bones and reduce the risk of conditions like osteoporosis. C. Bell pepper is excellent sources of vitamins A and C, potassium, folic acid, and fiber. C. Red bell pepper contains more vitamin C than citrus fruits. These are also a rich source of beta-carotene, which boosts your immune system. Bell peppers also keep your skin and eyes healthy. Let's stir-fry broccoli and bell pepper. Broccoli, bell pepper, cubes bell pepper. Break broccoli into florets with knife. Heat oil. Stir-fry 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Add bell peppers. Add broccoli. Add 3 tablespoons water, simmer, and cook broccoli. One teaspoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon salt. Add cornstarch water to thickening the sauce. Cornstarch powder and water at 1:1 ratio. Plate. Stir-fry broccoli with bell pepper is done. This recipe is easy and delicious. Cook and share it with your family too. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube. There are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Broccoli has very low calories, which meets the needs of weight loss and fitness. There are only 35 calories per 100 grams of broccoli. Compared with other vegetables, broccoli is really suitable for weight loss. In addition to being low in calories, broccoli also has a characteristic that is rare among other vegetables. That is, it can bring a strong feeling of satiety. Bell pepper reduce fat and lose weight. The colorful pepper contained in colorful peppers can promote the metabolism of fat and prevent the accumulation of fat in the body, which is beneficial to lowering fat, losing weight, and preventing diseases. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. There are more delicious broccoli recipes in my channel. Do check it out too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya. Bok Choy has the effects of clearing away heat and relieving gastrointestinal problems. Cough due to lung heat, body heat, thirst, chest tightness, symptoms such as upset, lack of food, constipation, and abdominal bloating. Bok choy is one of the vegetables richest in vitamins and minerals, provide material conditions to ensure the physiological needs of the body, helps enhance the body's immunity. Let's stir-fry bok choy with onion today. Bok choy. Onion. Bok choy remove stem. Sliced onion. Stir-fry onion slices until translucent. Add bok choy. Season with 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. If needed, sprinkle water from side of wok. Pour vegetable into plate. Stir-fry bok choy with onion is done. The taste and texture actually taste great, with crispy bok choy paired with onion sweetness. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. YouTube. There are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. The extract from onions has a bactericidal effect. At the same time, it can increase the tone of the gastrointestinal tract and increase the secretion of the digestive tract. In addition, other functions of onions include promoting weight loss, treating constipation, and improving intestinal circulation. Environment, calcium supplementation and bone strengthening, degreasing, sterilization, cancer prevention, cold prevention, and the effect of reducing the body's inflammatory response. Do share out this healthy recipe to your friends and family too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video ya.